Everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Well, been doing a little bit of work out here, a lot of work. That's why I haven't posted for the last couple days, so I figured I better catch up with some stuff. So, this is one of the things we did here. Put in these railroad ties were the ones that used to be over in that area there. And so, put them in here. Rocked around the, let's call it the access pipe down to the water line, and brought the gravel over up the grade. So this driveway is going to come up to right about here where the that stake is on the back side of it there. And so this is the top of the railroad tie. At this point it will be top of the concrete. So been filling in some stuff here. Brought in a bunch of more dirt over here, built it up to get it up to the level where they will be forming up against. So don't have a bunch of rock going out into where the lawn's going to be. Because once the concrete is in, then dirt goes up against it and there'll be lawn up against it there. But as you can see, there is a deep swale here with all the drop off here going down there, so I'll need to fill that in a little bit. Well, some of the other stuff's been going on. Let's see, yesterday got two 23-ton loads of dirt, and 1.25 of it, 1.5 of it's already been spread. Some of it went right back there where we were at. And I've been putting the sprinklers out here to wet down the dirt because it is really dusty here otherwise. And speaking of which, I'm going to go ahead and move this sprinkler here over right now and get it set up. So hang on a second. All right, I'm back. Okay, so got to get that area there wet and going on. Oh, one of the things we did yesterday, did a lot of pruning on the trees down there so the cement truck can get by. And so we got all the stuff piled up over here on the pile here for the trees there. So go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to turn this water on for 15 minutes. Dry as that other guy. I'm going to make this one a half an hour. Get away from the water spraying here. Yep, it came right up over here. There it is. It's going to be trying to wet down all the dust there. Lettuce is going nuts. I brought the bunching onions out from inside, and about every third day I move the hose up in there because it seems to hold the water real well. Strawberries are going kind of bonkers. I got a couple berries that are set here. Got to get some weeding done here. All right, so yeah, a lot more dirt piled up here. I'm bringing it out here to where it's going to toe off here, and at the corner of the buildings where the garden's going to stop, and then I'm going to bring it down, the dirt down here, to have a nice slope out of the garden. But I've been bringing a lot of dirt over here. I was bringing it in layers and compacting it, well, wetting it down with the sprinklers and compacting it, wheel rolling it, and then when it was built up like that, I would take the landscape rake and angle it, and so I come along, it sticks out wider than the tires. I run with the tires right along the edge, and then it was sticking out farther, so it would push the dirt out farther, and I get it where it was canted a little bit, as well as angled, and was feathering it down. And so when I was doing this, I had the nice slope going on it here. But I've been building it up and compacting it so the cement truck can drive up in here to do the cement work. And we're just about done verifying the level on it. Got a little bit more, one low spot right there. Actually, where we checked it was ending at the window there, and got a drag over, but we moved the board down here just to see what it was like down here. So we got to finish dragging on down, and then we got to, once we get down near the end here, we're going to go ahead and put the other 2x4x12 across there and get it done. Down here, I've added a lot more dirt down here. So this is coming out, and so the edge of the concrete's right here is going to come out to about somewhere right around in here, because I'm going to widen this up a little bit more, and so we'll have a walkway that comes from there to here, from here across to there and around. One of the things we did is the fence posts that were along here with the cowl panels on it, we pulled them out, and we continued on from that corner there on around with cowl panels all the way up over to there, and that'll keep the grandkids from going over into the canal right there, because that green bush you see there, that's on the other side of the canal. So we got some more stakes over here, and we're going to run it on down till it's about even with the house, and I'll put some temporary snow fence up to keep the grandkids in. But what we're doing is we're using these blocks here to lift it up above the ground here. So any weeds start going along, I can come along and just weed eat right underneath there and get rid of them. And I don't have the problem that was happening over there where like it is along the back section there, where the weeds are growing up in it and I can't weed eat underneath of it. So later this fall or next spring, I'm gonna have to take for that section there, each panel off and raise it up and retie it. So, but all right, let's see what else we're doing here. So I started over here on this side here as well, adding dirt over here. Started wheel rolling and compacting this stuff here as I do it a little at a time. And I'm gonna wet this down and then wheel roll and compact it till I get it set up in forms where I can lay concrete on it. But I'm gonna have it down an inch or so. I can put some rock in, and then I'll pour the concrete on top of that. But so I better turn that sprinkler on too. So let me go ahead and turn that one on for about. It's really dry here. I'll make it 30 minutes. 15, 30. There we go. And just see it's watering over here. Oh, it's actually watering a little farther than got me. So yeah, it's going to get that moist. The dirt is so much easier to work with when it's damp. Don't get all the dust and everything. So we're back around to the front here, and you get a different look at how I'm angling it in here to bring in the loads of dirt in this way here over there as well. So alrighty, so that's what I've done the last couple days. I'm going to go ahead now and get back on the tractor and start moving some dirt around. And I got the special camera glasses here with the camera right there, and I will be recording it from both on the tractor, and I'll set the tripod up with this camera so you guys can watch me dump dirt. But that'll be in the next video. Take care.